Let's play a game. We're gonna play a game called Iron Chef, and we're using other people's food and their money. How that sound? So we got some spring mix. We got some of that Babylon cheese. Just a little something to make it healthy. All right, like that. Like that. What else we could scurry up? I'm not putting no grapes because I don't want the salt. No, I'm sorry. I'm not putting grapes because I don't want the sugar. Ooh, a little Parmesan Romano. Le Parmesan. Oui. Uh-huh. All right, so I'm not going to put my hand. Come on, baby. I'm not going to put my paw. Come on, baby. I like that. I was fighting for my life. No shoes or nothing. Just a little bit. We don't want it to overpower it. Shaved blend, Asiago, Parmesan Romano. So it's like olive oil. All right, now I think that's it for the salad. You might be wondering what a dressing is, and you'd be correct. I ain't into all of that. I wish I had croutons, but I don't. So good. Only two things I would add. Fresh cracked black pepper and olive oil. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at the stew, man. Look at the stew. Oh my goodness. Good googa mugga. You know you need a big spoon. Look at this stew. What in the shrimp shells is that? All right, I'm gonna see y'all in a little bit.